I think PowerPoint's pretty much dead, and Google Slides might be next. For the last few weeks, I've been using a tool that uses AI to generate entire presentations, documents, and even web pages. All that from a single prompt, while I sip my morning coffee. It's called Gamma, and it's cheaper than what you would expect, and it comes even with a free plan, but it does have a caveat you should know about. Come on, let's check Gamma and see if it's the right app for you. But what is Gamma? You can think of Gamma as a version of Canva that's AI first. You describe what you want and the AI generates the design for you. You will of course be able to tweak it later. Because of Gamma is still a newer tool, it does not yet offer as many content types as Canva, but the ones available feel at times like magic. With Gamma, you can create presentations. That's what I'll be doing today. Documents like white papers or case studies, social media content in minutes, and even websites. And a really cool thing for the nerds out there is that you can access it via API. That means that you can automate your content creation with tools like Zapier, N8N, or Make.com. This is Gamma's dashboard. It's fairly simple. From here, you can have a look at the different templates available. They do look modern, but sometimes they do feel a bit like a template. If you go over the library section, you can create here your theme. And this is what I would recommend, because then all your content creation will be on brand. You just click on new theme. You could try to import it from an existing presentation you had over, I don't know, in PowerPoint, or build a new theme. I really like how the theme builder feels, and it's very quick to build something you would use. Let's say I want an orange, then I can pick from these styles. What about this one? Oh, too dark. Same here. I think I like this one. And then we proceed to pick on the font. I quite like these monospace fonts. I'm quite fan of flat design at the moment. And you can see here on the right hand side how our design is gonna look. It's time to add a logo. Gamma will load the logo and add it to our theme here. And finally, we give it a name. That's it. Now we can easily have on-brand content each time we run Gamma. But let's go and create some content. You could create it with a new Gamma. This is more of a manual approach. You could pick between a presentation, a document, a social post, or even a web page. But what I like about Gamma is that you can get its AI assistant to create the whole piece of content for you. So I'm just gonna click on Create New. I crafted a prompt, so I will say paste in text. And then I will select what type of content I want to create. A presentation. I'm gonna pick 16:9. And here I just need to paste my content. This is a presentation for a quarter review with a client, and then I'm asking Gamma to create 8 slides with some information that's already included here. Then I continue to the prompt editor, and here I can give more detailed instructions on how my presentation should be. I hate presentations with too much text, so let's pick minimal. Then I can give more instructions on who the presentation is for, what tone I want, I'm gonna say friendly, what the language should be, and what type of visuals I want. Gamma will add some visual components to our presentation. So I can choose what is it I want Gamma to add. I could add stock photos, web images, or illustrations, but I will go for images because they will go better with the presentation. Then I pick on a style. I think I like the illustration style. And the remaining thing to do is to tell Gamma how many slides we want. 8. It's pretty cool because you can see live Gamma working on your presentation. As you can see, these only took a couple of minutes, and the results are impressive. I wanted to let you know about the newsletter I send every week with my favorite app recommendations, just like this one, to help you do more in less time and with my productivity tips. It's an awesome newsletter and totally free. Now back to the video. Pretty cool. Gamma has created images for us, the copy, boxes to display information, and even some graphs. And I have a presentation ready to edit. Of course, you could move slides around. You could also edit the content like you would in any normal presentation software. You can add elements like more text, images, or even change the layout of the slide to match your needs. Of course, this presentation won't be 100% ready, but it saved me a lot of work. And if I don't like the image, I can regenerate it. I could ask the AI assistant to regenerate the image with someone, I don't know, holding an umbrella. The AI agent assistant will open on the right-hand side and start working on my request. And if I don't like how the image showing, I can just move it around. For example, I could focus on this character here, and now the image is more centered. If I don't like how the presentation looks, I can just change the theme entirely. I can apply one of the themes I've designed earlier. Once I'm ready with the presentation, I could present it from Gamma, or I could even export it to several formats, or even share a link with my colleagues or clients. One thing that really surprised me is that Gamma is affordable, and it even offers a free plan with some AI credits so you can test the platform. The downside is that this plan adds the Gamma branding to your design, which might not be ideal for many. The Plus plan should be enough for most users, and it includes 1,000 AI credits per month. And yes, it does remove the Gamma watermark. The Pro plan is for those who need to create larger presentations and require more AI credits. If you're interested in API access to automate your content creation, this is the plan. The Ultra plan, as you can see, is not cheap, and it's really aimed for users who need AI video generation. So that's my honest take on Gamma. It's a great tool and the results genuinely surprise me in a positive way. My only concern are how quickly you can run out of AI credits and the fact that, for now, Gamma can only design 3 or 4 types of content. By the way, if it sounds like Gamma could help you create presentations and documents or social media content more efficiently, I've left a link in the description for you. And as always, for more useful app reviews every week, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.